Hello, Horace here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Cloud app on your phone, Cloude. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, search Cloude. Cloud by Anthropic, and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you don't have the newest version, maybe you just need to update the app. But if you have the newest version and still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, apps, all, here find your app, go to the app, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow them all, like here, both of them, like here. After this, go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and unrestricted data usage, like here. After this, everything should be cool with the app, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.